Hi, I'm Micah with the Lexington County Public Library System. Today we're going to look at CultureGrams, a database to explore different regions and their cultures. You can find CultureGrams from our website's online resources page. Scroll down to find it alphabetically. If you are accessing CultureGrams while using a library computer or library Wi-Fi, you will already be logged in. If you are working elsewhere, you will be prompted to input the Discus username and password. You can get this information by asking the library staff at any of our branches. This brings us to the CultureGrams homepage, where you'll see we have a lot of options as far as what we can do. Clicking on the States Edition tab provides in-depth information about the United States of America. The Provinces Edition tab allows you to explore the provinces of Canada. There is also a Kids Edition that provides appropriate content for children in grade school. Right now, let's check out the World Editions tab. At the top left-hand corner, you will see a drop-down menu to select a specific country or region that you would like to explore. At the bottom of the page, every continent is listed, and clicking on a continent will show you each country in that region. Let's say you want to learn more about the country of Belize. The homepage for Belize lists basic information and quick facts, such as infographics and the national anthem. You can click on the infographic to open it into another window. To learn how to pronounce the official name and to listen to the national anthem, you can click the play buttons. You can also press the Listen button at the top right-hand corner to have the contents of the page read to you. To the left of this, you will see a Translate button, where you can translate the contents of the page into any of the languages listed. The tabs at the top of the page can be pressed to browse photos, videos, and other content related to different countries. But the right side of the screen provides quick links to the same resources and quickly filters them to the country you are currently viewing. The left side of the page offers many categories of information that you can click and browse. You might be particularly interested in learning about the holidays celebrated in Belize. Simply click the Holidays category and you will find yourself on this page. If you are doing research and would like to cite this information, you will find a citation generator. You can choose from APA or MLA8. Clicking on these formats will provide a citation that you can copy and paste for your resources. Let's take another look at the tabs at the top of the page. We might want to view some photos of Belize, so we will click on the Photo tab. Every country is once again divided into its region. Belize is located in North America, so we will want to click on the Americas tab. But if you are unsure, you can always browse the countries listed within each region. You can view each photo individually or press on a photo to begin a slideshow with captioning. You might also be interested in trying some cuisine from Belize. You can press on the Recipes tab, where you will search for Belize alphabetically. You will be presented with different recipes that are representative of this country's meals. Now that we have explored some of the many options on the World Edition of CultureGrams, let's go back to the homepage by clicking ProQuests CultureGrams in the top left-hand corner. This takes you to the place where we started, and you can once again choose the edition of CultureGrams that you would like to use. Let's take a quick look at the Kids Edition. Much of the same content that we just explored is found on the Kids Edition in a way that is appropriate for school-age children. After we go to the drop-down menu and select Belize, we see that there are a few additional sections, like Can You Say It? This page shows different phrases in the Creole dialect commonly spoken in Belize. There is also a section called Life as a Kid. This page goes through some of the daily activities of a child living in Belize. Much of this content may appeal to children completing school reports and teachers who are looking to expand their world geography curriculum. If you need help at any point, you are welcome to reach out to your local branch for help if you're searching from home. CultureGrams is one of the many Discus databases you can use through the Lexington County Public Library. Check out our website for more tutorials and other resources. Thanks for your time today.